So, in international business management, one of the most important items to speak about is the quality, especially when you are making a transaction or transition between one country to another. This is very important to study the market. And in Theora, they give us an example on how to do it. They introduced lean, and there are 5 lean principles. Would like to speak about them in this video. The first one is to define the value, and to better understand the first principle, we have to define what is the value for the customer. Like what we give an example in Jamaica when Mac failed to satisfy the customer because they didn't know what is the value for the customer. And then you should map the value stream, how you are going to make the value goes from one point to another with using the value as a reference point in each milestone. And then you should create the flow. In other words, you should remove the waste from the values and try to be more productive and make it less costly, less effort, less time, and then you could reach the successful management procedures. And then you have to establish a pool. This doesn't apply to Mac, but it might apply to other procedures like producing a car. When you are going to produce a car, then your inventory would be thought about and how you are going to assemble one car into small parts, and then you are going to move to assemble all of these. And then after that, you are going to pursue perfection, and pursue perfection, it's a continuous process where you have to identify the defects. Here we can speak about many different examples. Like in Germany, they make the decision, and then after they make it, they discuss how did they go with it. Is it okay? Is it not okay? What went right? What went wrong? But in Japan, they thought in another way. If we are going to assemble a car and then one employee will see, okay, there's a problem, then they are going to fix it and learn from the lesson, and check how they can prevent this from happening from the beginning. And then they have remarkably less defects at the end of the day. So instead of just like waiting to have the final product with full of defects, now we are going to fix it right now and then continue.